my channel Talkative Lavanya, and today I have brought a funny video to reply how are you. In this video you will learn 9 ways to reply how are you in funny ways. So friends, let's start. Our first one is Google it. You know its meaning? Its meaning is that when someone asks you how are you, you can say Google it. Its meaning is that you can ask Google how I am. So it's so funny. So our next one should be overworked and underpaid. You can use this when you do a lot of work but you get salary. You get a little bit of salary, not much for your work. Okay? So you can say I'm overworked and underpaid. Okay? So friends, our next one is the doctor said I'm alive. Its meaning is that when someone asks you how are you, you can say the doctor said I am alive. Its meaning is that I don't know how I am, but the doctor said I am alive. So friends, our next one is how much will you pay me if I tell you? Its meaning is that if I tell you how I am, how much will you pay me? So it's too funny. Its meaning is not that if you tell someone how are you have that he will have to pay and you create a fight. It's just funny. And I'm telling you that also that you only use these sentences with those of your friends who don't mind jokes. And some people take the jokes onto their heart and be annoyed with you. So please, I'm telling you, don't use these sentences with those people who take them to heart. Okay? So our next, so you know its meaning, how much will you pay me if I tell you, right? I have told you its meaning. So our next one is, it's too complicated question for me to answer. Its meaning is that I don't know how I am. So it's too hard question for me to answer. Okay? So our next one should be, I'm single and ready to mingle. So I didn't expect this. So its meaning is that I'm single, but if you want a partner, then a life partner. So you can say I'm single and ready to mingle. Next one is like you but better. Its meaning is that I'm living a peaceful life like you but a better life than you. Okay? So our next one is good until I saw you. You can use this when your friend borrowed something from you and you did it exactly. You are asking, please give me that, please give me that, please give me my thing. You saying, wait, I will give you, but never gives it. So and someday he asks you how are you, you can say good until I saw you. Its meaning is that you took my thing. I needed it urgently, so now I am tensioned. But before you had not met me, I was really good and led a peaceful life. Okay? So friends, our next one is, I had promised myself that I would murder the next person who asked me this question. What should I do? I like you too much. Its meaning is that I had promised myself I would murder the next person who asked me this question. Its meaning is that I would murder the person who asked me this question, but if you had asked it, so I can't murder you because I like you too much. So what should I do? To spare you or to murder? It's just a joke, not really murdering. So with this phrase, with this sentence, our video ends. And today you have learned 9 beautiful and smart sentences in funny ways to reply. How are you? So I hope you will use them. And I will also like to tell you that you just watch the video, but never use these phrase sentences in your daily life conversation. So don't make that mistake. Okay. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.